Hi, welcome to the third tutorial for the DiceBot Programmer mode. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a basic zigzag function, how to use the print function, and yeah, a few other similar little things. So first off, again, I'm going to make a base bit variable and set it to 1 Satoshi, and then I'm going to set next bit equal to base bit. Yeah, that should be all for now. Then I'm going to make a basic zigzag thing. So in the available variables, you'll see this bet high variable, that one. This determines whether the bet is over or under. So a lot of, so yeah, to set whether the bet should be high, do this. To set whether the bet should be low, set bet high to false. So this will be low, high. Now, I've noticed a lot of people do something like if bet high, then bet high equals false, else if bet high, or well, if not bet high equals true, end. Well, this works. It is one way to do it, but it's very, very big. There's a much easier way to do it. Simply set bet high equals to not bet high. This will switch from high to low on every bet. So let's add a basic martingale script again. If, when, then next bet equals previous bet times 2, else next bet equals base bet, end. And if you run it, you'll notice that the bet is high, low, high, low. So the zigzag function is actually working, as well as the martingale function is. Okay, so apparently I'm doing reverse martingale. Whoops. And stop this. If not when, then mel. Okay, so I want to print. I'm going to change my chance to 49.8765%. So I have no idea what the actual payout will be for this bet. So for every bet, I'm going to print the profit for that bet, so I can see how much profit I made every bet. So I'm going to print current profit. I'm just going to add that over there and then start the bot again. Now you'll see it prints out, in addition to this betting at 49.87%, it prints out the profit for the bet. Now this is in scientific notation, which is a bit annoying to some people, I understand that. But to me, it's not really a problem. I can easily enough read what it's doing. So I'm going to stop that again. Then recently I had a request for a script that would change the chance if the previous bet's roll was between a certain number. So if last bet, that's the one, last bet dot roll equals more than 40, and last bet dot roll is less than 60. So if it's between that margin of 40 to 60, excluding both 40 and 60, then set the chance to, let's say, 40%. Else, set the chance to our 49.87%. End. Now let's see if this works. This might take a while, but let's see if it works. Oh no, and it's apparently not something that Lua recognizes. Assignment statement expected. So apparently I'm ending something. Oh, oops. That set shouldn't be there. Okay, let's see if this actually happens. Okay, here's our role. So that was close. That one was... There we should go. So you'll see here was a bet that was between 40 and 60, the roll. So the next bet was at a 40% chance to win. And then the next bet, because this roll was at 96, the next bet was at 49.87% again. But again, the actual roll was between 40 and 60, so the next bet was made at 40% chance again. So now we know that that actually works, and now you know how to access the actual roll number of your previous roll. The last bet object has access to all of these variables in this table. So if you need any of that kind of information that you've already changed in your script, you can just use the last bet property, well, last bet object with its properties to access this information. There's a UML of the last bet object on my website, and I'll add a link to it in the description of this video. Then the last thing I want to do is send a tip to another user. So if my balance is larger than 0.0100050, then tip user Sinky a total of 0.0050001. End. Okay, let's see if and when that happens. Okay, it shouldn't be too long now. Okay. There you'll see my balance changed to 0.0005, and there you'll see tipping 0.00051 to Sinky. So it actually did send the tip. A lot of people use these kind of functions as a bank feature, so you bank your profit continuously so you don't lose that on a losing streak as well. You can use the withdraw function in a similar way, as well as the invest function on sites that support it. That's it for this tutorial. Hope you have a good day.